Hello everyone and welcome back to Third Element Chain Tutorials. Rendering a 3D scene can be accomplished in its native environment, but also outside of it. By selecting different surfaces using the pen tool in Photoshop, I have applied different textures on a 3D text render scene. So as you can see, this is going to be a final result. So minimize this, go to File Open, and open up third Photoshop file. I'm going to double click on the zoom tool to zoom in 100%, and I'm going to expand this a bit. Now the strategy here is to first select the sides surfaces and then select the front surfaces. So I'm going to zoom in and I'm holding down the space bar to go up and down, left and right, okay? And you're going to see me do this a lot. Select the pen tool and let's start with the letter 3 here. So click, click, click and drag, click, click and drag, Option click, Alt click, pull out a new handle that follows a new curve, click and drag, click, 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 click and drag, click and drag, click, click and drag, Option click, Alt click, click and drag, click, click, click and drag, Option click, Alt click, and continue all over the same way. I'm going to undo this, Option click, Alt click, pull out a new handle that follows a new curve, Option click here as well, there we go. Alright, select the direct selection tool, and you know the pen tools can be very forgiving because you can go in any time and fix the path, and I'm using the Bezier handles here, as you can see, to modify my curves and everything that I need to trace this correctly. It seems to be fine. I'm just fixing things up. Alright, let's go here too. Alright, one more thing here. Let's pull out this handle here a bit, the Bezier handle. Okay, alright, double click, rename this 3 back. Alright. Now, select the pen tool. Let's work on this one. Click, 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 click and drag. Option click, Alt click. Pull out a new handle that follows a new curve. Click and drag. Click and drag here as well. Click, click, click and drag, Option click, Alt click, and click and drag. Direct selection tool, which is this one, okay. Path seems to be okay. Double check my work. Alright, double click, call this R back. Click away, select the pen tool, click, click, click and drag, and drag, click and drag, click and drag, Option click, Alt click, click and drag, click and drag. So let's undo this. Option click, Alt click. Here, let me modify this Bezier handle. Click, there we go, and click and drag. Okay, drag selection tool. Make sure I've done a good job. Alright, double click, call this D back. Click here, zoom out 100%. Alright, I have this path, and this path. Okay, I'm going to close this part and I'm going to work on the front surfaces.